chicken bald head. Ain't no chicken too
That's another one of her words. That's bald head. That's bald head. Baby, the first time I heard a chef say that, I was like, wait a minute, what she talking about? She just bald head. I had to sit. I said, what she say? Bald head and Chef Joy's dictionary mean evil flavor. That's what, okay.
You really do be paying attention.
I'll be paying attention.
Okay.
That's something I should tell you. If you ain't doing it my way, the shit is questionable. Now, okay, she do it. Then she'll come back and say, no, I'm just joking, but for real. Okay.
It's kind of true.
Everything that she's made that I've tried has been incredible.
No, ain't nobody black made nothing like this. Craig,
It's coming.
Put your
I can't talk too much. It's coming.
Oh. It's good though. Well, the guarantee of where's Tabitha Brown season because it's
Right, the sunshine.
the sunshine coming.
Joya food blesses my whole entire family.
Well, thank you.
Yes, lady.
We need one of those paper bags, like the grandma paper bags. Is it coated?
Yes.
Oh, look at Jess cooks vegan.
Yes. Okay, good.
All right, good. Y'all put it in the oil. Oh, you gonna do it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I'm gonna drop one in there.
What's up, everybody? This your girl, T.S. Madison, back in the building. I don't know how much my sister, but I do. And I'm back in the building, and I'm just letting it be known that I be watching her out here always cooking, frying, baking, and sauteing that nigga shit. And I gotta taste the nigga shit because I say it ain't no way possible, Chef Joya, that you can make every dish a vegan dish.
And I can.
And I saw you making oxtails, and I said, I got to do it. And I got my Nigerian over here. He eats oxtails. What's the difference in between the meat